Okay, so today I'm going to be making the Lord Farquaad giant head from Shrek for Shrek the Musical for my aunt. I explained why in the last video, so go check it out there if you want to know. And let's get started.
So as you can see from this picture, you're going to need to get a lot of cardboard for this project if you're going to make it. I just got mine from going to a furniture store and looking in their dumpster. And they had a really big cardboard box, so I took that. I would also recommend getting some really thick cardboard. This one was double thickness and it worked fine. But if you can't get a hold of that, it's probably fine. Okay, right now this is the almost crown part. It's the very top of the entire head. It's pretty big. I had to trim it down, but that'll be fixed in plans if you buy them. But you just kind of glue the first ring around the big ellipse / oval, and then if it doesn't fit perfectly, you just kind of trim it a little bit. Every mistake that I made making these plans was amplified by a ton when I scaled it up like this, so there's gonna be a few errors. So if it doesn't fit perfectly, just kind of cut it down a little bit until it does fit. And then you just kind of repeat that for the entire rest of the helmet. You just take the ring, bend it, and then do it do it in little sections. Glue just a little bit at a time, then go to the next section, glue some more, all around the entire ring. Then you just grab the next piece and you glue it on. As you can see I'm doing there, you just curve it. You glue it on. And you're gonna have to follow the registration marks. They'll be in the plans if you buy them, so you can figure out where they go, because some of the pieces can't be connected because they're so big. But yeah, it's pretty much just doing this exact same thing the entire time.
Okay, so right here, I cut the mouthpiece in half just because it was going to be kind of too long in the back, like I said it would maybe be before, and I didn't want to mess up the mouth part of it at all, so I cut it in half, so then that would be completely unaltered, and I just glued the rest on and glued that on back together, and then I just went on to the next piece. Pretty simple. Here's what the headpiece should look like with the hair on it. I think it looks pretty good. And then here's the nose that I 3D printed. I just kind of modified a model that I found online, and I'll give you that file if you buy my plans. Okay, so I've got this nose here that I 3D printed for this, and some spray foam that I'm going to use to attach it to it. And I've never used spray foam before, so we're just going to try it and see how it turns out. So place to do this. Should have left the nostrils open and glued it on, and then filled with the foam. That would have been better. But I didn't do that, so here we are. Sitting out here for 30 minutes. So, this is the completed helmet, or head, I guess, of Lord Farquaad for Shrek, and I feel like it turned out pretty good. I'm not going to be painting this because I don't want it to be not matching to the actual costume that the person's going to wear in the play, so they're going to paint it, but otherwise I feel like it turned out pretty good. I just have a bike helmet in there to allow you to have it on your head without it falling off or having to hold it. So, that's the head. I feel like it's really close to the actual head from Shrek, and yeah, if you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and subscribe if you want to see more or like this. Bye.